cabin.
This is Horseshoe.
Abandoned cabin tour. Every week we upload an abandoned cabin tour video. Now let's go on to go to the abandoned cabin.
Alright, let's check it out. This is the Horseshoe Lake abandoned cabin. So, we gotta walk this log over this creek. Let's do it. We got this. We can do this. Let's test it out. Seems pretty sturdy. How you doing, buddy?
Sturdy.
Seems sturdy. Think we're doing okay? Ooh. Ooh. Yep. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
We made it. Cool. Well, there is a trail there. See, we've never been to this one yet, so we'll figure it out though.
There's one there.
I was told it was this way, but somewhere down this way. Seemed like there's a trail there. Let's take a look back here. Unless this trail just goes to the waterfall. Because there's a waterfall too. Here. Alright. You got this. You got this. Great work. Alrighty. Here, you can go ahead. Going down.
Even my dad hasn't been here.
Nope, neither of us have been here before. It's quite pretty though. Quite a pretty place. Ooh.
What is that over? It's a waterfall down there.
Yeah, we'll take a little look over the bank here. Quite beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very cool. I don't know if they have a name or if it's just Horseshoe Lake waterfall. But we're close to the cabin now.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Dad, do you know why we cut off?
No, it's a mystery.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's go up here.
All right, let's go check out this cabin. Abandoned cabin number 2 on the abandoned cabin tour.
Yeah. You said the other one is hard to get to.
Mm-hmm.
This is exactly hard to get.
Yeah, this one might be a little harder to get to than the last one. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there.
There's a chair. Cool.
At least we still have the door.
What does it say? Nice. Nice trick door. Nice trick door. Huh.
Nice trick door.
Whoa. Somebody meant business about their lock in here though. Holy moly. Oh yeah, something. Oh cool. Some cool drawings in this one.
Whoa. What's that? A hand with your finger up?
I don't know. It's not. It doesn't seem very nice. Oh, cool. There's a 4x4. You can see his exhaust.
Why is there a person laying on the ground?
I don't know. Looks like a miner or something with a miner hat or
A
something.
crucifix?
Whoa. Creepy. What is this guy?
I don't know.
And that guy down there, I don't know. Maybe there's some weird entities out here. Could be.
Look at that.
Des Rocks 420. That is probably your neighbor, Desiree.
Why
Oh,
is
cool! Look at this. Looks like old, kind of like old hieroglyphs.
it- Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Jesus, with crosses and what's that symbol?
Affinity.
Infinity. Yeah. What's this thing? Oh, this thing says. Oh, it says the bong box. There's no bong in the bong box. There's another picture of the same entity. Scary. What else did you want to show us, my man?
Why is that wing in red?
Yeah, I don't know. That is creepy, hey?
Yeah.
Looks like blood dripping.
Yeah.
Yeeks.
Let's get out.
Let's get out.
Yeah.
That is creepy.
Yeah.
This one has a nice porch to it.
Oh.
Whoa,
Why
more
is it
red. Looks
red?
like blood.
Even a red there.
Yeah, and the red chair with that.
Wait.
Should we take a look at the outside of this thing?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a look. Hey, and there's our window covers. They got window covers. This one's a lot newer than the other one that we were at. I would definitely say this one's newer. Look, it's all cut boards. The other one was all log. You know?
We should go here again
Yeah.
and bring a pencil so we could draw a upside down cross.
Why upside down?
Just to make it more like, scary.
Oh, because they all look scary? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
I got you. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Probably got the idea, maybe.
Upside down
I'm gonna
cross.
say from
And
the upside down cross.
Ours have a weird thing that are always in scary things.
Oh, you see upside down crosses at scary places?
Yeah.
Yeeks. Scary. Anyway, it's a pretty beautiful place.
Yeah.
Well, we'll hit you up on the next stop.